Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about number formatting. So let's get started. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account and this is my Snowside web UI. How to set a free trial Snowflake account you can check from a Snowflake playlist. One request viewer, please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. So let's get started with to-char and double colon function. So start with number formatting using to-char, double colon and cast function. So first example is here. Here I am selecting statics number select and this is number and I want to convert this to string. So if I execute this statement, you can see here this is number formatting, and if you click here you can see here this is string formatting or character formatting. You can cast this number to string using cast function. So if I execute this select statement, you can see here this is number formatting, this is character formatting. Okay, you can convert this number using to-char function also. If you execute this select statement, you can see here the result, this is character formatting. You can use to-char, this is specifically Snowflake function to convert this number to character text formatting. Okay, now the main thing is here in this video is number formatting. If you execute this statement, here same number of digit and here put same number of 9, so this is same. You can use instead of bar char you can use to-char also, result is same. Okay, now if I want to 1000 comma separator, then we can use 9 comma 999. So if I execute this statement here, now result is comma separated. Okay, you can use dollar sign at the beginning of digit. So put here dollar, then 9, then comma, then 999. So it's formatted to comma separated with dollar sign. Okay, you can see here result. You can use G instead of comma. G is used for group of number comma separated. So if I execute this statement, click here to execute also, then you can see here instead of comma you can use G. Okay, hey viewer, I request you to subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. Okay, so let's get started with this example. Now I am using decimal formatting. If you execute this statement, you can see here no changes. Now here same number of digit and here also formatted with same number of digit, then no changes, you can see here. Now if I want to this number comma separated, then we can use 999 then comma then 9, then it's formatted to comma separated. Okay, you can see here. Now if I want to put this dollar formatted, then you can put here beginning at dollar, then it's formatted to dollar separated. Okay, you can see here you can use G instead of comma. Okay, you can use D instead of decimal. Here we are using G and here we using D with dollar formatted. Okay, here is after decimal 2 digit and here is after decimal we put only 1 digit, so it's round off. Okay, you can see here the result. Here it's become 9 up because 7 is greater than or equal to 5. If I here copy, if I put here like 3, then no round off. Then no round off because 3 is less than 5. Okay, here number of digit is 4 but here put only 2 9, so its execution fail. You can see here. Okay, you can use, instead of 9 you can use 0 here, both is same. Okay, same result. If here greater than number of digit here 4, and here is number of digit put here 5, 0, so it's forced to display 0 at the beginning of number. Okay, you can use if you requirement in your query. You can use here. Here I put 80 and here number is 4, so it's extra put 40 at the beginning. This is like a padding function. I already made video on this L padding, R padding. You can watch from playlist. Here one example is here 4 digit. Here also put 4 digit. If I put here extra 0, then it's display 0 at the beginning. You can use G for comma separated. Okay, we already see this. You can use minus sign, negative number with 2char 999 formatting. Okay, now here one example, you can use mi for minus formatting. Here is positive number, then no change, but here is negative number, then here I put minus, then this minus at the beginning of the number. Let's see this example. Here you can see minus at right hand side. Okay, you can use fm for formatting. Here number of digit is 5, and here also put number of digit is 5 times 9, so no formatting required. But here I am putting 9 times 9. Okay, and here only 4 digit, so it's have some white spaces. You can see here, if you click here, then if you focus here, then it's some spaces, extra spaces, so you can use fm to remove these spaces. Okay, you can see here. You can use single line, and now here also space, so you can use fm for formatting. Okay, now you can use negative sign. Here also length is 2. If you execute this statement, it's showing length is 2. Now one use cases is here, I selecting account balance and format it to 999,000 separator with, I want to format with 1000 separator with beginning of dollar sign. So in this way you can use number formatting from customer table. Let's see this example. Okay, this is the query you use in your day-to-day life. Okay, if you like this video content, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.